Hi, it's Marky. I've been back from Mexico for a solid 12 months now, and I haven't posted a video in probably at least 10 or something like that. And I lost all of my information and my passwords and stuff. But luckily, I'm really good at using the same protection passwords and things, and I ended up having to create the email that my YouTube account was signed up with, and it was really exciting, but I have back control of my own website. But now I'm not really an exchange student at the moment, so I have nothing to say. I'm just going to college and stuff, and I'm not sure if I'm going to make videos again, because I feel like I have nothing interesting to talk about anymore. But I did have a whole 23 subscribers, my solo channel being one of them, so if anybody was still such a YouTube addict like I used to be and watches all of their videos in their queue, hi, sorry for abandoning you. If you think I should continue making movies, or you don't, or your comments what about, or their videos, not movies, Marky, anyway, comment or inbox me. Now that I'm back, I was always really good at responding right away because I have nothing to do but to sit on YouTube and talk to people. So yeah, have a nice day, I guess.